Welcome to the Penhurst by HHHunt Homes. This charming new construction condo floor plan offers a private entry and is perfect for someone looking to enjoy the dream of homeownership. The chef-inspired kitchen offers plenty of cabinetry and counter space, and you get a separate kitchen island and massive pantry. Your spacious living area offers plenty of entertaining room and a quaint outside area. The primary bedroom offers a walk-in closet and a private ensuite. Do you work from home? No problem. This study is perfect for your home office or could be used as an additional bedroom. The Penhurst also includes a full bathroom in the hallway, convenient for family and friends. Are you ready to make the Penhurst your home? If so, schedule your tour today at hhhunthomes.com.